How to turn on data saver on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on data saver on your Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook Messenger, click on it, and now all you need to do is click on your profile, scroll down and click on data saver. Now you have data saver. Enable click to download for image and videos when using mobile data. Now all you need to do is click on. Click on this option and turn it on, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.